Mkhozi, igama lami zetho, and if you're a returning subscriber, isiphinde yabonana Mkhozi. If you are new here, I'm Mkhozi, then subscribe and become a part of the scheme. Sazito. Hibo, please don't skip ads. I don't know where to end that, but please do not skip ads.
Ufana nawe angikamtholi unjenga nawe kuzeku ukuba ihile kuzeku ukuba ndiphile ngaphandle kwakho ngaphandle kwakho ezinzulwini sobusuku ngiphupa ngawe ebusuku inhliziyo ilimele sandwa sami cela ungixolele ezinzulwini sobusuku ngiphupa ngawe ebusuku.
Please do not skip ads. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. We are finally monetized on YouTube. Please don't skip ads, guys. Like, I didn't think Izo hit 1,000 subscribers so early. Like, Ibibi vision board yam, and at least I finally ticked off something out of my my vision board. So I'm so excited. Like, I can't wait to create more content. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I am so excited, guys. Like, yo, please do not skip ads.
Angikamboni ufana nawe angikamtholi unjenga nawe kuzeku ukuba ihile kuzeku ukuba ndiphile ngaphandle kwakho ngaphandle kwakho ezinzulwini sobusuku ngiphupa ngawe ebusuku inhliziyo ilimele sandwa sami cela ungixolele ezinzulwini sobusuku ngiphupa ngawe ebusuku.
Hi guys, so I just got back from town. I went to do my hair. I look so good. Like, I went for something different. Ngoba ngihlezi ngenza my braids, so this time around I was like, you know what, let me do something different. I got my nails done too. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. I look so pretty. I want to go my siblings. Yeah, look at my thing. Hey guys, I got my nails done, and this is also something different. I always go like for a normal French tip or just plain nails, but it's hair polka dots wabanjani. And yeah, guys, I'm obsessed. I love them so much. And also, I got myself flowers. It is still the month of love, and I'm loving on myself. So that's what I did today. I took myself out. I got myself flowers. I got a cake from Woolies because I'm also celebrating 1,200 subscribers on YouTube. Yes, so this year is to celebrate Yonkinto. Small wins, big wins, Yonkinto. So yeah, I'm excited. And then I got candles. 1,000 for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And then Gitege skincare. I got skincare as well. Clay, Rooibos, what? But it's a wash, a scrub, and a mask. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. This is like a daily spot treatment because as you guys can see, I'm suffering. Like my skin doesn't care, but I do all the skincare. Yo, I sure. And then the moisturizer. It has SPF 15. Yeah. What else did I get? And then I got this lip therapy from this cam. Yeah, that's all I got. So yeah, guys, I think tomorrow I'm going out. It hasn't been like confirmed yet, but I'm going out with my friends. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh hey. Oh hey.
Hayi kubi. Yazi ngathi sitshelene ngempela. Kushubile kuwes. Soyibona ku-YouTube angidlali.
1, 2, 3. Yes, road trip.
You could tell me stay, but I have to go. 'Cause I would not expect someone to stay around if I let them down. Right when I let my guard down, you play around. And no, not this time, but we can't hash it out. It's too late for me to stay. I wish all the things you say was what your behavior displayed. You know, I could have done without lies, and no, don't love it is blind. This just don't feel right. Ain't no more we, ain't no more you. What you need?
Alright, I'm going to work.
Sibagemenu. Ayitshela umama ngithi sibagemenu. Yes, asekufikile.
Dress I spoke to some at the bar. You're no good for me and I for you. But we love it, so draining but thrilling. It's war when you walk away from me, but do you believe it? Our touch feels for real, but our love can also kill. We can be whatever we want to be. Do I love myself the way that you do? Do you wanna see the magic in you?
Manini.
Now it's like that.
No. Yeah.
Subscribe bani. Angisebenzi la ngisebenzela imahali. Sorry ngikadela kwa.
She been working long days. Main nigga got no juice, she been waiting on us all week. For a season, get it popping off like Pompeii. Parked up Melrose, she wanna get up on me in the broad day. Real shit, ain't that one time. Your type be catching them feelings, ain't never on time. I ain't been trusting no bitches in real, we packing on time. We gonna see if with me you can keep it together or not. Give it to me, no time to play. Won't
Hayi bafazi. Ngozani ngobuningi benu. Ngozani ngobuningi benu. Angazi ngingenelwe yini ngikoda amaveji. Ake sizwe. Ngifuna ukufika ekhaya ngihealth. Hawe ma ucarrot omngaka. Cha ucarrot cha ngeke carrot mkhulu kangaka. Takwethu khona uanyanisi igaxa inga. Hayibo. Ubathanatha yini? Luthe langcone esheshi. Ngiyayisona.
Rice.
Ngiyayisona. Ngizodla kodwa ngoba imali yami. Besadle one sesinamanga. Besadle one sicela amanye amaphrono. Oh, sicela amanye.
Yezwa abazalwane kunomsindo ngemuva. Bagrinda nathi ke manje bayasiblend. Okay, so urate kanjani?
Mithi mina. This is a solid. This is a solid 7.
Yeah, not bad.
It's not bad. It's just that inyama ibizimile. So because of that, 7.
Sibahle. Urate abani steak sakho. Khuluma Sibahle. 4. Qiniso, urate abani ama-ribs, uthenge nama-ribs, ama-fries, ne-rice. 8.5. Okay. Awuthi ngesekurate mina-ke manje. Lalelani. Ngithenge ama-grilled prawns, ama-fries, ama-veggie 0, ama-ribs 8, ama-prawns 5, ebe-milk, ebe-namanzi kakhulu, bengisolwandle angi-understandanga, isiphuzo 2. But the aesthetics are giving, guys. So yeah, not bad. Kuhle, so yeah. Sekube nesitepe bengizoyihlekisa nje manje semotweni. Yes, please.
Swimming so deep in your water, vision blurry. We're going on today. Driving for the weekend.
Isiphongo sigcwele knowledge Nkosi wami. Ningixolele.
She been working all day. Ain't nigga got no juice, she been waiting on us all week.
Oh, ngase ngamnyama kanje.
Like Pompeii.
Ngeke.
Talked her man,
Ngimnyama nakho-ke. How?
Subscribe.
Senze
Ngeke
sure.
kuthi anoskip ama-ad.
Yes.
Clock hit mfazi. Yeah. Ngiveza u-aso.
OOTD-ke madoda. Ukuthi liyana nje is.
Ehe.
But so be patient with you guys.
Exactly.
Jewelry, Mr. Price, Lisa, a gauge.
Yebo.
Yes. Shoes, Fushini.
Yamuzi uyabiza lo mntwana. Fashion.
Pants, engojeni mangeke.
Yes.
Top,
Dlala ngamashi.
top, Shia.
Ehe.
She.
Exactly.
Bras from Fushini as well. Yeah, ikhanda kubernisi niyamazi.
Ehe. You never go wrong. Ngenza ke nami OTD yami. Ngenza.
That's how I find.
Hayi ibhega ngisayiphethe abafana.
Ngoba usuqofile nje. Okay.
Kodwa-ke,
Akusenaniki. Mana man.
Shein.
Yeah. Qala phansi.
Forever 21.
Qala phansi.
Qala phansi.
Ehe.
Pants from Shein. Top Forever 21. Amashi. DW Lona. Amashi Mr. Price.
She. Awudlala ngaba she. Ah, she. Run!
Run for your life.
Run! It's raining.
Abangani beni banazo.
But you really competition. It's really crying, cotton fish. You're only 20. Now was meant would be the best, but you can't fucking figure. You sabotage all the time and pass it around in your mind. You're doing just fine and some more. You do this independently, no management, no label leads. It's all you. You can't grow unless you choose it. Self-sabotage could be bigger than you choosing the weather. The rain is your Let's not pretend like this ain't real. You know how I feel. Yeah, I see you walk by.
Morning, guys. I think it's the 22nd of February. Yeah, 11:52. Yo, I'm so tired. Yesterday, ngihambile seNewcastle nabangani bami for lunch. Siyevula intaba etshanini. Yeah, I had so much fun. Ama aesthetics akhona, guys, are giving kuhle. The food, khona okumnandi, khona oko yeah, so but it wasn't bad at all. Bekumnandi and I would go again. So yeah, and ngibonile ukuthi I didn't like introduce the day yesterday. So yeah, I'm updating you guys on that. Izolo sihambile seNewcastle, had the time of my life. So Friday seNewcastle, sayi-tracked sathatha uqingele sasihamba saya eNewcastle, and then from Newcastle to evula intaba. It's quite like a drive, shame, not gonna lie, from town ukuthi ufike khona yo uyahamba shem, uyahamba kusekudeni, but it was worth it. It was worth it. Guys, this is my first vlog of 2026, so happy new year bandla. happy new year. Yeah, new year uqala ngoFebruary, so khathi ke siqala kahle ke umusho sungenile. So happy new year, guys. And also I wanted to show you guys lento there, a car suction mount, but I don't think it's only for imoto. I think mhlawumbe iyanamathela nasesibukweni, nasefrijini, maybe nakuma-tiles izinto ey'kanjalo. I'm so scared to use it because what if i-camera yami iyawa ngavele ngihlanye. So I've never used it. I don't know, I want to try and use it, kodwa ke mase kwi-camera yami ngenzekani. So iphuma kwi-dust bag kanje incane nje, yabo, shuthi unamathelisa ngalokho ukuthi kanje. Angazi ukuthi ngiyasaba ngoba ngithembi nje ukuthi lento le ingabamba i-camera yami engaka, you know. So I don't know, maybe we're going to try and use it today. I wanted to do my laundry, but the weather is not the one. Lianet, so I can't, and also I need to deep clean my room, like in full wash ama sheet no blanket ngigoqe impahla nje yonke into upside down. So ngidinga nje ukuthi deep clean the camera. And also, what else did I want to say? I think now I'm just going to go and wash dishes. Let me say I make something to eat. Yeah, and maybe that's the end of this vlog. But yeah, guys, I'm back. And man, just saying monetized. Don't skip ads, man. Isinkwa sami lesi ungangiphucisa umlomo. Angiphucisa umlomo. Yo guys, ngilambile. Yeah, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't skip ads. Ngizolo ngishilo, don't skip ads, man. So yeah, guys, I'm so happy about this ads thing. I'm not gonna lie, I can't believe it. If I have a vision for this year, I'm like, yo, ngifuna at least to reach 1,000 subscribers. Ngithole yabo ama ads kuma video and it happened so quick. I didn't expect it to go to January and so 1,000 subscribers because I hit 1,000 go January. And manje it's like 1,240 something, maybe 47 subscribers. So shame. Thank you guys so much for that. I really appreciate it. So this time around, this year, I'm gonna try and be consistent. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and be consistent and just try and post videos often. Like, I don't wanna say every week because I'm funa ukuzithembisa ngengikwazi ukuyideliver. So ngizozama as much as I can post a vlog every now and again. And also, what else did I want to say? Yeah, this year I want to learn a skill of some sort, something. So yeah, ngathi langa liyaphuma, maybe ngizogcina ngiwashile. Yeah, so yeah, this year we're learning a new skill, bandla. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for all of that. I'll catch up with y'all later. Futhi ngishintsha ama settings efoni. Yo, I've been yapping for 5 minutes. Ngishintsha ama settings camera yami ngiyaboni. So I don't know, guys. I don't know. So I think as I'm going to set a back, but I don't think the setting is also bad. Right? So yeah, good right. Bye bye. Sure.
To find the beauty behind us, trying to find the words to describe the feeling behind this crush. Catch me daydreaming. Can we be just friends? Talk from now and then till we meet again. Feel a little insecure, trying to find the words I'm not sure. You're the only thing that stays on my mind. Feel a little crazy, yeah. fresh nails, I could care less about you. And all my girls show up and she high class, and no surprise to you, it's all we do. My lip gloss was secret, just like the ones that sit between.
So guys, I'm making creamy noodles. I have my peppers, onions, green, red, and orange pepper. Then I have my chicken, nama noodles. So ngifakile spice. I've never done this before, so ngizobona phambili ukuthi ikhamba kanjani. Ebese I have cream as well, so yeah, let's make creamy noodles.
This ain't real, you know how I feel. Yeah, I see you walk by, my heart passes time, I cannot deny. Feel a little insecure, trying to find the words not true. You're the only thing that stays on my mind. Yeah, feel a little crazy.
And this is how it looks. It's not as creamy, but in the end, it's good. But I think next time I just need to add more cream. So yeah guys, we have come to the end of this vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't skip ads. This is Big Brother. See y'all on the next one.